Let's we talk about the Google Computer Engine, and let's start it. Google Computer Engine in the infrastructure as a service less component of computer cloud platform which is built on the globe in infrastructure that run Google search engine, Gmail, YouTube, and other services. Google Compute Engine enable user to launch viral machines VMS on demand. VMS can be launched from the standard images to or custom image created by user. GCE user must authenticate based on OAuth 2.0 before launching the VMS computer. Google Computer Engine can be accessed via the developer console, RESTful API, or command line interface CLI history. Google announced Computer Engine on January 28, 2012 and Google I/O 2012 in a limited preview model in April 2013. GCE was made available to customers with Gold Sport package on February 25, 2030. Google announced the Right Scale was their first rescaler during Google 1.0 2013. Many features include sub or billing, share, core, intense type, large and base networking capacities and certification got announced. CE GCE become available to everyone everyone on May 15, 2013. Layer 3 loader balancing came to GCE on August 7, 2013. Finally, on December 2, 2013, Google announced that GCE is generally available. It also expanded the OS port and available live migration of VMS 16 core interact faster, presentative device and louder the price of standard at the Google Cloud Platform Live event on March 25 to 14. Uzair Sohail, Senior VP of Technology Interface, announced sustains uses discount support for Microsoft Windows Server 2008 RS, Google DNS, and Cloud Developer Manager on May 28, 2014. Google announced optimization for LXC containers along with dynamic scheduling of Docker consist across a fleet of VM instructs. Google Computer Engine Unit Google Computer Engine Unit GCEU, which is pronounced as GQ, is an description of computer resourcing. According to Google, 2.75 GCEUS represent the maximum power of one logic core, a hardware hyperthread based on the Sandy Bridge platform. The GCEU was created by Ordinary F. Volume out of a need to compare the performance of virtual machines offered by Google. It is approximate by the Cormac CM run as part of Prefix Benchmarker open resources created by Google in partnership with my Google provides presenting disk. Every Google computer engine in tech start with a disk source called presenting disks. Persist- Persistent disk provide करता है provides the disk space for instructs and contents the root file system which from which the instruct boots. Presented disk can be used as block devices by Google machine uses here CSCI for um, attaching projective disk. Projective disks provide straightforward content and reliability storage as a content and the reliable price, removing the need for a separate local disk. Projective disk need to be created before launching an in, stack where I am. Yes. Once attacked to an instruct, they can be formatted with the Navi file system. A file projective disk can be attached to multiple instruction in read-only mode. Each projective disk can be up to 10 TB in size. Google Google Computer Engine encrypt the projective disk with AS128CB, and this encryption is applied before the data leaving the virtual and the machines. The integrity of uh, on June 80, 2014, Google announced support for SSD projective disk images. And images is a projective disk that contain operation and roots roots is stable raw as machine type encryption and machine type standard machine names virtual memory cost per hosted cost per hour US hosted cost per hour Europe hosted. You can see it. High memory, high CPU, share core memory, optimize resources, computer engine contact, theoretical resources, and then so on. You can show all the disk information here, and I can share you like different information. Okay, that's it.